Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing something a bit different. Today I'm actually not doing any video game videos or any YouTube reaction videos. I'm doing a video on the showcase of my plane collection. It's like different Matchbox planes. Some of them are not Matchbox planes. I don't know which ones are not. But we'll go with it anyway. So, let's begin with this plane. This right here is kind of like a B-2 fighter plane. You can see it. It's like a stealth fighter plane, I think. So that's that one. Now, here is a Delta Boeing 767, I think. It's the brand new Delta colors. I've seen those colors a lot. This one is kind of like a private plane, I think. It's a kind of private airplane. Yeah. This one, I got this one when I was a baby. I don't really play with it anymore. It's some type of CRJ plane. Tonka CRJ plane. This is a American Airlines Boeing 747. It's very cool. This, I think this is like an MD-88. Yeah, McDonnell Douglas MD-80. I think that's what this is. Next one is Airbus A380. It ain't really a separate type of airliner, but it's an Airbus A380. It looks cool. These two are like CRJ and ERJ planes. That's like an ERJ plane, and this one is like a CRJ plane. And I got one more. It is a flying boat. One of those flying prop boats that land and take off from water. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my collection, really. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.